Hey everyone, friends on the channel! Today I'll show you how to stream on Twitch. To do this, go to the Twitch site and click on your account. Oh yeah, right here. And here we click on settings. Here we click channel and video. And here we'll need to click on stream. Here we need the stream key. Copy it. So I'm already here in OBS. Yeah, we'll need to put it in settings. Going to stream. Select Twitch here, you can connect your account or you can use the key I just copied. Paste it here and click the apply button. After that we click here if you have your stream set up in general, yeah. Output, you can use the same settings as mine here. Main thing is don't forget to set full HD here and set high priority here. Click OK and just start the stream, after which it'll appear here. Here it'll show up for you. That's it. Everyone smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, see you all later.